Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here's another quick video on a purge valve replacement. If you're getting a P144C code or a P1450 code, or no codes at all like me, and you have some rough idles after fill up, like I would fill up and at a red light and my RPMs would just drop through. It's tuned and all, but it's not I mean, it stays really consistent with the tune and everything, but it would feel like the car was gonna die on me. And that was right after fill up. It only lasts like 10 or 15 minutes, and then I would drive it, just keep driving it, and not getting on it, of course, but just keep driving it, and it would go away. So I didn't think it was that big of a deal, but definitely don't want it to break or bust or anything. So I went ahead and a little proactive and replaced the purge valve. The part number is, of course, there's a gnarly shadow if you want to take a screenshot of that, but that's the part number for the purge valve. Really easy replacement. I think they charge like 250 to 300 bucks at a dealership just to replace this with the labor cost and everything. This is my daily. It's a 2017 Ecoboost Mustang, tuned by Adam, and a lot of Parker Performance stuff on here from South Florida. So real easy. So right here you have a 10, an 8. I'm sorry, 10, 8, 10, 8. Size socket there. So once you get this popped off, take the cover off and put that to the side nice and easily. I don't want to lose all my nuts. All right, so the part you're replacing, you guys probably done some research already, is this part right here. It's real easy. Keep your 10 millimeter out. You're going to take this off, unscrew this. I just put it to the side up there. Get a small screwdriver, flathead, and you're going to go in right here and push up on this little piece of plastic right there. Inside of there, this little piece of plastic. You want to push up on that piece of plastic, and this sensor will pop right off. Saw another video of a kid, and he needed another set of hands just to help push that. You don't need to. Just get your flathead and put your flathead in here and jiggle it back and forth, and it will just like that. See, this is the new one already placed on here, but just jiggle it back and forth and it'll pop right off. So no need for extra help. Down here, you have a red clip. This red clip comes off really easy. Just push both sides like that, and it'll pop right off like that. And then take this piece off, you have to put pressure down on it. So as you're pushing down on it with your hand, you have a little button. Let me see if I can get it right here. There's a button here on the side. See that whole thing move? You might need a flathead, if so. A lot easier when you're not holding the phone too, but push in on that, and then it'll pop off with that red clip off. Of course, it'll pop right out, and that's the piece. The piece we just replaced is right here. That's what it looks like. So it's OEM replacement, straight from Ford. Oh, that's my hand. And like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to have a code. If you have a rough idle like I was getting, or any kind of issue stuttering like I just did now on after fill-ups. It's an emissions thing. We don't really have emissions here in Florida, so I don't have to worry about it, but you definitely want to replace it. Yep, and also make sure you guys, if you haven't already, replace that low pressure sensor right there. That's what's causing the eco booms. You definitely don't want that. Catch can, highly recommended. Every 1,000 miles or so, I like to check it. And there's usually about, I mean, up to an ounce in there from the blow by it catches. And that's it. Any comments or concerns or questions, just hit me up. All right, thank you.